I'll have a Bud Light, a Miller Lite, and I'll have a light beer. Make sure it's light, and a case of
And make sure there's a Diet Coke there. Make sure there's a Diet Coke there.
Okay, 1 Diet Coke.
No, make it 2.
2 Diet Cokes.
No, make it 20.
20 Diet Cokes. And charge it to him.
Oh, come on.
1 Monster. And
Can you also give me 5 Coca-Colas?
5 Coca-Colas, a Coors Light, and a Miller Lite.
Hey, give me a 20 beer.
20 pounds of beer and a vodka. Alright?
And give me a meatball sub.
And a meatball sub. And first class. And I want this guy to be thrown out the window. I want to watch the video. I want to watch it.